Hi guys, today my topic is about WhatsApp. How can you have two WhatsApp in the same phone? Or you don't have a phone, you probably have one phone for your regular phone calls and another phone you want to use for WhatsApp. How can you use this in the same phone? For example, the number which I have right now where you can call is a different number, but the WhatsApp whatever I am sending is from a different number. Let me tell you what actually is possible. How is it possible? The very first thing you need to understand is there are two WhatsApps. When I say two WhatsApp, see you can see this icon here, the call symbol here. This is the regular WhatsApp, and there is another WhatsApp which is called WhatsApp Business. And I would suggest each one of you to use WhatsApp Business because WhatsApp Business has lot many features and it can really help you in many ways. And what I have installed is WhatsApp Business. Now I think since all of you are watching this on WhatsApp, all of you have a WhatsApp number, so I need not have to tell you about this. When you install WhatsApp, what you need to do is you cannot have same in one phone. You can have either WhatsApp or you can have WhatsApp for Business. But if you have two different numbers, then you can have both the things on the same number. So many of you have dual SIM. So what you could do is you could have one one for WhatsApp and one for WhatsApp for Business. You can use two different WhatsApp. Now what happens here is when you install, as you all know, whenever you install this, the very first thing what it asks is the contact number. Let me actually just download this. I have not installed WhatsApp, I have installed WhatsApp for Business. So let me install WhatsApp here. So what happens is when I install this, there are two different things. So if I do it on the same number, then the previous thing, the all the data will go. But let me just show you what actually I want you to see here. When you install this, the very first thing it always asks is the phone number. It wants to verify the phone. So what you need to do is very simple. When you complete this, give the other number whatever you want. Whatever see the regular phone number what you have. If you are using, I am giving some different number. This is my regular phone number, and since I was experimenting with WhatsApp, and that number is no longer available. Earlier I used this, now this number is not available. So what happens is it will send you the regular call, the text message. It will verify all those things are going to be the same. By any chance, if you want to actually change your WhatsApp to WhatsApp Business, very first thing, please take backup. Please don't install on directly the WhatsApp for Business. You will lose all the data whatever you have. So please do one thing is take backups. If you don't know how to take backups, let me show you how you can take backup. It's a very simple process. What you need to do is go to settings, and in chat there will be an option for chat backup. Please go ahead and take the chat backup, and once you have done this, then only do the other installation. So what happens is when you are installing that, it will ask you, oh, should I have I'm seeing that there is a backup, can I actually install that? So you can what happens is all the previous data will get imported, so you will have no hitches. So please try to do that. Without that, many of them have lost data, so please do that. So what happens is it doesn't really require for you to have the phone with you. That means see, right now I have a different number for which I am calling, but the other sim is not install not in my phone. but still I am able to use. What happens is I just need the OTP when actually when it installs, the OTP is required, and if by chance WhatsApp crashes and I have to again reinstall, I need that number. So the most important thing is the OTP part. If I have that OTP done, then everything will work as smoothly as possible. It will actually not be again trying to check that. By any chance tomorrow there could be something that it may ask you to check again, then you may have to again give the OTP. Rest actually works the same way. I hope this has helped you. For people who don't know me, my name is Sri Harsha. I am a digital marketing expert, and I help you to take your business from zero to $1 million company. We have done with many companies. We are doing more than 200 clients. We have been working with in more than 7 countries. Uh, if you like this video and you're watching this on YouTube, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And if you're watching this on Telegram or on WhatsApp, you will get a link below to join my group. Please go ahead and join my group, so that I will keep sending you a lot many informative videos every day like this. And please send this to as many people as possible, so that they also get benefited with this knowledge, and this motivates me to do more such videos. Please share this to all your friends, all your groups, whatever you have on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter, on whatever you have everywhere. Please share this. Thank you very much. Have a great day.